Leiba asigi konung New Delhi da Ministry of Home Affairs na maitei amadi Kuki jo furup ki oiba wari sananaba mifam ama April 5 da kauriba asigi mangoina na Kuki singna warep ahum center da pre-condition oina pukhatnaba lepnakrai. Kuki singna thamliba condition ahum adudi no cross movement initiation of dialogue amadi 6-month ceasefire period ni. Pre-condition ahum asi Committee on Travel Unity ko to Sadar Hills Kangpopi District na sinduna ngarang Kangpopi District ki KBC Center Cherzol da chatakiba consultation meet da warep oina lokibani. District asigi Kuki luching basing na saruk yakiba mifam aduna Kuki sing na kundawa mafam sing da maitei amata changhandaba. Cessation of hostility gi manungda marik chumba amadi structure dialogue khaktamak chathaba amasung tha taruki ceasefire period thamhanba haiba precondition sing asi lakliba April 5 da Ministry of Home Affairs na New Delhi da kauriba wari sanabagi mifam asida thamnaba warep nakhi. Chathakiba consultation meet aduda Kuki Jo Council, Sadar Hills Chief Association, Kuki NP, Students Body Singh, Women's Organization Singh amadi Travel Representative Singh yauna Sadar Hills Kangpopi District manung chana leiba Intellectual Singh, Social Activist Singh amadi atay influential figure kaya na saruyakhi. Chahi ani suzalaklaba irang asiga mari lenana Home Affairs na kari karamba warep laur kadage haiba adu lakliba April 5 da maitei amadi Kuki Jo furpki oibo wari sanana basida khangba ngamlagani haina Kuki Singh na panari.
In the meeting with the MHA along with the Meitei Civil Society for cessation of hostility in regards to that, a precondition is being set in today's consultative meeting. Number 1, no movement of the Meiteis in the Kukizo areas and vice versa. Number 2, to start the dialogue within the cessation of hostility. Number 3, the period of cessation of hostilities of the two warring community will be a period of 6 months.